Hello. We're talking about
Bitcoins.
Ethereum today and the
Bitcoins.
potential for Ethereum to jump big time. I've been looking at the chart for Ethereum and it's pushing up to that $1,000 mark. And once it hits that $1,000 mark, it's open skies for Ethereum. And I just want to show you a chart that I whipped up just before. So this chart, as you can see, it found support way down here, which was pretty spot on. Back here, it was the ceiling, broke through, had a huge run up, came back down, consolidated, and found that same support, which was a ceiling. And I also want you to see this channel. So this Ethereum's actually been in this downward trend since June. So over 6 months, it's been moving down within this channel. As you can see, touch, 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 almost touch, almost touch, touch, and then at the top here, hitting the top, right through. And only very recently has it broken out of that channel. So here's this channel, it's just a bit closer now. It's come along and it broke around here, 21st of December. Then it would have, if I can just extend that channel. It broke here, then it found support, once again support, and now it's actually just bounced straight off what used to be resistance out of that channel, and now it's clear skies ahead, and it's around, as I said, it's around 900. Once it hits 1,000 may be some psychological resistance, but I'm feeling like Ethereum's just going to pop through quite quickly, actually. So as you can see, let's see the potential of what it could be. So that was the channel. Okay. Let's go to Fibonacci. Okay, so let's just say we get back to the high. Without even breaking the high, what would that be? 0.16 of a Bitcoin. Just going back to old highs, which is very likely very quickly. So 0.16 of a Bitcoin, 15,000 times 0.16. $2,400. That's if Bitcoin stays at the current price, and we all know that it's probably going to keep going. So Ethereum's price is looking like a good time to have Ethereum in your portfolio, that's for sure. And as it's just broken out of this downward trend of 6 months, it's got a lot of energy and potential to move up at the same speed as it did here, if not even more and harder. So if you don't have Ethereum, now obviously there's many coins that are going to do well over this coming year, 2018. So if you don't have Ethereum, what I'm suggesting is at least get some Ethereum, and if it breaks down once again, then we'll recheck in and we might sell some, take some profits, these type of things. But right now, you definitely want Ethereum in your portfolio. So that's a bit of the technical analysis. And then in terms of the fundamentals, to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of Ethereum because I think there's some other projects coming behind it, such as Cardano, such as EOS, Stratus now has the ability to hold ICOs and projects. It's become a platform, Stratus. So there's a lot of competition for Ethereum. I think Ethereum was the first mover, as we saw here. But in the long run, I do think it probably will get taken over. But I would say in the next few months, this is a great buy for at least a couple of months, and then we'll check in again. So hopefully you got something from this. If you did, subscribe, give it a like. And yeah, we'll see what coins up next.